Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today is day 5 of our sandwich making challenge, and yesterday I had some leftovers from my hot dog buns, so I thought why not make a sandwich with using them. I quickly jumped off my bed and I started frying some onions with chilies and some sausages. I sliced the sausages into the slices you can see. And then I fried them. I put some soya sauce in there so that it can have a extra flavor. Of course, I put the salt and I ended it with some chili flakes and also oregano. And I just give it a little stir so that it can be mixed well. And then I had my bread with me and I sliced it into 3 pieces. After that, I again sliced it from the middle, and then finally I applied some mayonnaise on each side and I added our mixture in there. Then I will just put it together and we're done. That's all for today. Bye bye. Masalama.